Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video I'm gonna show you one more exam questions how you can solve this problem. So we can see our green and red, so we need to cross the river. So there's a different way to cross the river, some tunnels, Rotherhithe, Blackwall tunnel, and some bridges. Here is a different kind of question. A lot of people don't know about this question and they use Blackwall tunnel. So they use, I'm gonna draw this roughly over here. They think, oh, we need to use a Blackwall tunnel, and they got 0 marks by using this Blackwall tunnel. I'm just drawing roughly, don't worry about that. So there's a you can't use Blackwall tunnel. There's another way to cross the river. You can see, if I'm gonna zoom this out, so you can see this is ferry, so we can use a ferry to cross the river as well. So first do planning. So I'm gonna do the planning. So my first planning, I need to reach this ferry approach. So very easy. If you do the planning, you're gonna save you a lot of time. Okay, so let's start. This is simple, straightforward. So I'm gonna stay on the left. I'm gonna make it bigger because this is the street. I'm gonna come on this road. I'm gonna make a little bit smaller to see my ferry approach. So there's a different way to go. This one I can just go straight and I can turn over here. Nice and smooth around the roundabout. So when you're gonna reach over here, you can see this is ferry approach. So you just draw the straight line over here, just like this. Now I'm gonna do my next planning. I want to see my red point. So my red point is over there. So there's gonna be different ways to do this one. So first do planning. So I'm gonna come this way. If I use this roundabout, then I cannot, so I can come outside over here, or I can go this way as well, but for me this is going to be the most direct route. Stay on the left hand side, nice and clean. Do not go in the middle, do not hit the black line as well. Carry on. So because I did my planning already, so I'm gonna just go, I know, because I came before over here as well. So I'm gonna stop over here. I'm gonna do my planning again over here, and I can see I can turn right over here. So make it bigger because this is the small street. Just go to your red point, and this is nice smooth question, and this is the most direct route by using ferry. So I'm repeating again, you can use ferry to do your questions. Hope so you guys you enjoy your video and it's going to be helpful for you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks.